Welcome to Jojo's Smart Play. Let's learn some fun new words today. Say them with me. Mat, bookcase, vase, lamp, bed, picture. Great job. Let's dive into the adventure. Blast off.
Bed, bed.
I have a bed. I have a bed. Bookcase, bookcase. I have a bookcase. I have a bookcase. Lamp, lamp. I have a lamp. I have a lamp. Mat, mat. I have a mat. I have a mat. Picture, picture.
I have a picture. I have a picture.
Vase, vase. I have a vase. I have a vase.